In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track a Wayfair order online. Whether you're using a desktop computer or the Wayfair mobile app, it's a pretty straightforward process. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to keep tabs on your purchases with ease. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Wayfair website, open your preferred web browser, and in the address bar, type in wayfair.com. Once you're at the Wayfair homepage, it's time to log into your account. Look for the sign-in option, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials. If you're not yet registered, you'll need to create an account to proceed. Now, if you're using a desktop, here's what you'll do next. Once logged in, hover over your account name. You should see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, select Orders. This will take you to a comprehensive list of all your recent Wayfair purchases. Scroll through this list until you find the particular order you wish to track. Once you've located the correct order, there should be a button or link labeled Track Package. Clicking this will take you to the detailed tracking page, where you can see the status of your shipment, including the estimated delivery date and the progress it has made so far. It's a great way to keep yourself updated on when exactly you can expect your package to arrive. If you're navigating these steps on the Wayfair app, it's just as simple. Start by opening the app on your mobile device. Once it's open, tap on the account icon, often found at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your account settings, which include various options related to your Wayfair activities. From the account page, select Orders. Just like on the desktop, this will bring up your order history. Scroll through the list to find the order you're interested in tracking. Tap on it and then look for the Track Package option. By tapping this, you'll be directed to a screen that displays all the relevant tracking information for your order. By following these steps, you can always stay informed about where your Wayfair order is and when it will arrive. This can be especially handy if you're coordinating with delivery schedules or simply excited about an incoming piece of furniture or decor. And that's it. You've now learned how to track your Wayfair orders both on a desktop and via the mobile app. Keep these instructions handy for future purchases. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.